So one of the most common questions that I get from patients, especially first-time patients, is what is my background? What brought me here? What type of training did I need in order to become an acupuncturist, Chinese medicine practitioner? So for me specifically, my background is I have a master's degree in microbiology. I did research in mycology, which is the study of fungus, and specifically I looked at calcium oxalate crystals under electron microscopes, and that was in my early 20s. So I did that. I loved research, and it was my plan to stay in academia, get my PhD, and just work in a lab and be a professor for the rest of my life. However, there was also a part of me that I really wanted to get out of school and make my own money, and so I interviewed for a position with Eli Lilly when I graduated with my master's degree, and I got hired on with Eli Lilly as a pharmaceutical rep, where I was selling medications for like depression and bipolar. So I was working with a lot of the psychotropic meds. I stayed in pharmaceuticals for about 9 years, and I was with 3 different companies: Eli Lilly, Novartis, and Amgen, where I sold throughout my tenure probably 20 to 30 medications, and my territory was Houston and surrounding areas. So I have a really good foothold on Western medicine. What brought me to Chinese medicine was my experience when speaking to doctors, and I wasn't getting the feeling that the medications were changing people's lives and being these miracle cures that the pharmaceutical companies um, were were suggesting that they would be. And instead of hearing really good positive feedback from doctors, I was hearing more negative stuff like, well, this medication is causing this side effect. And so it became clear that there had to be a better way of treating patients. And I came across Chinese medicine through kind of a friend of a friend. And I tried it, and it really changed my life. And so when things just kind of came to a standstill when I was in pharmaceuticals, I quit my job and went back to school for a 4-year graduate degree in Chinese medicine. And I never looked back. I love it. I've been graduated now for about 2.5, 3 years, and I've had my private clinic. And I can honestly say that I have seen more lives change through Chinese medicine, through the help of acupuncture treatments and herbal medicine and dietary changes, than any pill has done for a patient. And I'm so grateful to be able to share my knowledge and my experience with patients. So that's my background. There's a few other things. I used to teach and coach, but other than that, that's kind of what led me here. And I love my job. I think my patients know that when they come here, they're gonna get all of me, and I'm gonna help them as much as I can to get them back to health, or to prevent anything bad from happening to them. So that's my story, and I'll be getting back with y'all soon. Talk to you later. Bye.